Color is complicated.
Communicating color, that's one of the hardest things to do.
This partnership is going to change the design process for product designers.
You spend, as a designer, a lot of time trying to get your intent as specified as you can.
With traditional prototyping, it would usually take days to match one or a few colors for a prototype. Now we shorten it from days to hours. Since I have a book and I have a printer and I get the same color from the book and the print, I know that I don't need too much emails going back and forth. I just have one color and I get one print and I'm good.
Very easily communicate with one word describing the colors I want.
Before this Pantone Stratasys collaboration, all the coloring and painting process is external. It takes a lot of time, a lot of efforts, a lot of work, and a lot of money. And today, designers can digitally print whatever they see on the screen in a matter of hours.
Upload my design to GrabCAD and select the color you need.
On the software, I can compare them, and then I will choose whatever I want and print it. It's very easy.
The entire reproduction process is faster and more efficient. Fewer iterations mean less time, and time is money.
I believe there is a great potential for this technology. Until today, designers put a lot of effort to communicate their color intent.
And now, you just say Pantone and the number, and everybody understands you.